First of all, let me be honest to you, no? Let me describe the first 100 days kung Duterte Cayetano. Diba? Kasi kung let's say Binay Cayetano, hindi ko alam kung saan ang first 100 days ko. Diba? So, just to be honest, diba? Kasi ang Vice President is sabi ko nga parang Batman and Robin yan eh. Di ba? Sabi ko, I want to redefine the Vice Presidency na parang Batman and Superman. Di ba? Hindi naman yung susunod ka lang sa Presidente. But really, the power is in the hands of the Presidency. And kami ni Mayor Duterte, we've talked a lot. We've come up with what we want to do, no? In the first 100 days, we want you to feel safe and safer. In the first 100 days, we want to start moving out 1 or 2 departments. It might reach 200 days. Baka hindi kaya ng 3 months ilipat ang isang department. But isa sa pinakamadali, DOTC, dyan lang sa Clark. In the first 100 days, we want you to see that the budget and the programs will reach the grassroots, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, hindi lang dito sa Metro Manila. And lastly, in the first 100 days, we want you to feel you have a government na kakampi nyo, na pwede nyong sumbungan, na pwede kayong tulungan. And that's where political will come in. It's not much, but what we will commit to you in the 100 days will spark the next 100, which more reforms, the next 100, the next 100, that you will wake up in a year feeling safer, having a different government, more hope in the second year, more changes in the third year, and after 6 years, we would have laid the groundwork of a different Philippines that we can turn over to you and all our other future leaders.